Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the basics right. Tune your instrument and place a capo if the chart calls for it. Once done, focus on the main motif, a short 4-bar phrase that repeats. Practice it slowly at half speed until the fingering is automatic. Make sure to use a relaxed thumb for alternating bass and a light touch for the fluttering trebles. Repeat the motif 8-12 times, listening for even timing and clear note separation before moving forward. Now you connect the motif into the song's middle section by combining the steady bass pattern with the fluttering treble figure. Practice hands separately, then together, and once they align, increase tempo in small steps, for example from 60 to 90 BPM, to keep accuracy. Make sure to loop 4-measure segments and change dynamics slightly to shape the phrase. Pay attention to left-hand muting and right-hand timing, so the flutter effect stays. You finish by playing the full form from start to end, linking intro, verse, bridge, and outro while maintaining the flutter texture. Once done, shape phrases with subtle accents, slides, and softer dynamics on returning lines so the song breathes. If things go wrong, isolate the troublesome measure, slow it to 40–50% speed, and practice tiny hands or fingers repeatedly until clean. Finally, rehearse transitions at performance tempo so you can play the whole piece confidently and musically.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.